Hello everybody, my name is Satya Prakash and I am a faculty at Shubhra Ranjan IAS. We are going to have a seminar in your college on 17th of January from 1:30 p.m. Now the principal objective behind this seminar is to give you some structuring about the civil services examination, and therefore through this short video I want to explain that why it is important for you to attend that particular seminar. And since most of you are engineering students, I thought let me explain the significance of this seminar through this particular graph. Now this graph I have derived from a report of the UPSC itself, which shows that how many attempts generally the candidates take to crack this examination. Now if you see, this particular green line shows that this green line is showing the final selection in the examination, and the maximum selections are happening at this level. That means it is happening at the third and fourth attempt. Yet there are some people who are also getting selected in the second attempt, and there are quite number, around 10% of the students are also getting selected in the first attempt. Now what is the difference between those students who have been selected in the first attempt and who took 3, 4, 5 attempts to get selected in this examination? Now one difference is that those who got selected in the first attempt, they started early. So when we take the examples of toppers like Tina Dabi, Ria Dabi or Satyam Gandhi who got selected in the first attempt, then we believe that they gave the examination and within 1 year their selection happened. But we don't realize that their preparation started even when they were in the college. For example, Tina Dabi, she started her preparation right from the second year itself, so that when she appeared in the examination, she already had the experience of like 2 to 3 years. Now why I am telling this information to you is because you are also in the college. Some of you are in the first year, second year, third year or the fourth year. Now if you have made up your mind that you want to go for the civil services, this is the right time. Start the preparation, do some kind of studies which will help you in the civil services examination. You are going to face India's most toughest examination, probably one of the toughest examination of the world, and therefore for that you need to start early. So let us meet on 17th January in your college and let us strategize your preparation about your civil services attempt. If you have not made up your mind for giving this attempt, I would request just attend the session. We should be able to decide that whether you are made for civil services, whether you have the aptitude for the examination or not. So thank you so much. Let's meet on 17th of January in your college at 1:30 p.m. Thank you.